I leave my shoes outside the room. I leave my shoes outside the room. We are eating popcorn while watching TV. We are eating popcorn while watching TV. I'm wearing my jacket because it is cold. I'm wearing my jacket because it is cold. He is taking photos in the park. He is taking photos in the park. They often play games after school. They often play games after school. He is singing loudly in the car. He is singing loudly in the car. I'm putting milk in my coffee. I'm putting milk in my coffee. They are decorating the classroom. They are decorating the classroom. She is fixing his bicycle in the garage. She is fixing his bicycle in the garage. She is opening her birthday gift. She is opening her birthday gift. He is helping her brother with homework. He is helping her brother with homework. He is taking a photo of the sunset. He is taking a photo of the sunset. We are waiting outside the hospital. We are waiting outside the hospital. He is putting his clothes in the cupboard. He is putting his clothes in the cupboard. They are buying cake from the bakery. They are buying cake from the bakery. I'm waiting for the train at the station. I'm waiting for the train at the station. They are buying tickets for the movie. They are buying tickets for the movie. She is wrapping a gift for her friend. She is wrapping a gift for her friend. They are learning how to swim. They are learning how to swim. He is looking out of the window. He is looking out of the window. He is pouring milk into the glass. He is pouring milk into the glass. She is carrying his little brother. She is carrying his little brother. I always keep my phone on the table. I always keep my phone on the table. She is washing her face in the bathroom. She is washing her face in the bathroom. He is buying fruits from the market. He is buying fruits from the market. She is drying her hair with a towel. She is drying her hair with a towel.